All right, how do you clean this engine bay? Quick and easy. So here's how I clean it. Just gonna need the soapy water, and first you have to let it soak all this dirt. You have to make sure all of the dirt is soaked with the soapy water. That way they will become loose. Spray it everywhere you see. Now you're gonna need an air gun, and the water at the same time. So now once everything is sprayed off, once it's dry, you're gonna need an alcohol and the wipes, right? And wipe the plastic. Make sure the plastic is clean. So if you find yourself with these greasy dirt, all you have to do is you're gonna need mineral spirit or anything like this. Spray it like that, and get a little bit of brush. As you can see, it's disappearing. Right, so now it's clear. So I already did here and by the power steering, because the power steering is a little bit moistury and start collecting dust here. So, and that's it. That's how you clean this greasy part. Okay, so once everything is done and nice and clean, now you're gonna have to make it shiny, but we don't want to spray it with something for temporary, so we're gonna spray it with clear coat so that this will last longer. And also I chose this because it's high temperature, it's hot in the inside the engine. So but it depends, it's up to you what kind of clear coat you use, but this is I like to use. So let's try it. So you apply this. No property. Just mix it up and spray. And don't put too much alcohol, really. If you want spray on. So this way the spray. That's how you can you're able to see and make just like one shinier. So as you can see now, right? So like all right, there it is. All right. And this is permanent because this is not like a grease or anything like that. This is a clear coat. So this shiny here is it's permanent. So all you have to do if you get dusty, just wipe it, and that's it. All right. All right. Good luck and thank you for watching.